Alright, so summertime called. It said it's coming over. We ain't got a choice. June and July will be here pretty fast. And it'll be sweltering hot, at least here in Houston. So we're going to make a drink for the summertime, for any time, for all the time, for the winter time. There's no winter in Houston. Let's get a knife. Don't need anything special, but you know, we got to make sure the knife is honed. Alright, so we are making watermelon juice, watermelon cucumber juice, watermelon cucumber lime juice, watermelon cucumber lime Tajin juice. It is watermelon juice with things in it, with things that accompany it. Call it whatever the hell you want, I do not care. You need watermelon, preferably ripe and sweet. You can get weird with that other stuff. A lime, some cucumber, and whatever your favorite Tajin, Chamoy, whatever it is you like to use. So this watermelon was already chopped up because apparently finding a whole watermelon to chop up is not a thing right now. So everything in here needs to go inside that and on that and blend. Alright, so we're putting it in here. You got to chop them up kind of small. And you're going to have to kind of blend in stages, otherwise there's going to be a mess. So we're just chopping up some watermelon. And it needs to stop doing whatever the crap it's doing. Apparently I didn't do that right. That's full. Again, just chop them up kind of small, thin, tiny chunks, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you do it as awkwardly as possible, that way nothing turns out the way it needs to. And all of this goes into the cup. I'm going to tend to err on the side of this needs to be more watermelon than cucumber and lime, but you do you put as much of whatever you want in here. So we'll take the rest of this slice and not slice off my thumb because I'm smart. Did I mention the trash can was full? It's still full. Yep, watermelon's good. Alright, so at this point, all I'm going to do is blend this really quick just by itself. Alright, we just want to get everything kind of blended down a little bit so we get more room inside the cup. So we take our cucumber and we're going to peel this guy. Again, just peel it as awkwardly as possible. That way the video just looks stupid. That is, but it's off now. Alright, so that's probably plenty. Trash can's full. Come on. Trash can, that full. Made. I don't have one of those. Looks like I'm taking out the trash soon. So we just chop off that little guy. And we don't really want any of the rind. That's going to be weird inside of that. We're just making the juice. But we're also not going to strain anything. We're not going to do anything like that because it's got to be sorted. I mean, we're putting that stuff in there, but it's got to be kind of healthy, right? Trash can's full. Alright. Get this chopped up. Half a cucumber. Put more cucumber. Put less cucumber. Blend it. Taste it. Hey man, do whatever you want. I do not care. I'm just giving you a base of what you need so you can make this drink. And just, again, awkwardly get all this crap in here, as awkward as possible. Now you get your lime, roll that thing out like it freaking owes you money. I think it does owe me money. At some point it's gonna owe me money. Maybe owe me money right now. Get that chopped right in half. And you're gonna do the juice of a lime in here. I'm gonna do this the easy way. We're gonna use a fork. Just getting some summertime flavors in here. That's all we're doing. Alright, I gotta throw these rinds away, and I'm sort of hoping that somebody took out the trash. Nope. Ah, crap. Trash is still full, and it's getting fuller. It's not full anymore. See, it looks great. Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. So we give this a blend. Oh yeah, babe. This is gonna be gangster. Now we take, oh no, the watermelon fell over. We take some of the Tajin. This one is reduced sodium. I'm guessing that's mild. This is really the only stuff that I find anymore. Whatever. So put this in here. If anybody's like me, y'all are going to go absolutely overboard with that. But you do it to your taste. We're going to take some of the chamoy. Hold on. Let's shake it up. This is fruity chamoy hot sauce. Mild. Again, this is all I ever see. Maybe I need to go to not the regular supermarket. Not HEB, basically. So dump that in there, as much or as little as you want. We're going to blend it. We're going to taste it. We're going to adjust it. Hell, it may be perfect. Maybe too salty. Who knows? All right. Let's give this a try. A little bit more of both. I think we'll be good. Yep, there's a lot of tahini in there. Oh, that's perfect. Y'all got to try this. Now you can put, this is all this stuff was cold, so this is cold. Pour it over ice. Add it to your grandpa's favorite cough syrup, and if anybody needs to know what that actually means, your grandpa's favorite cough syrup. Okay, are we on the same page here? Cough syrup. I ain't gonna blame nobody for nothing. Put it over ice, make it into a smoothie, drink it straight out of the cup like me. That's what's about to happen. Y'all get out of my damn kitchen, like and subscribe. Do all that stuff. Got a lot more stuff coming. Goodbye.